Hi everyone, we are the Business Design Batch and we are going to present on the brand ROF. ROF is one of the leading tile adhesive brands in India and with a complete range of tile and stone fixing grouts. ROF's mission is to change the way India fixes tiles and stones and totally replace fixing of tiles via traditional method of cement and mixture of a modern and a more recommended version, which is tile adhesives. Hence, to unlock the growth of ROF in the tile adhesive market, we have focused on unique solutions with increasing both category penetration and market share. This can be achieved by targeting new methods and segment which we plan to penetrate in.
Further, for the market research, we use the top-down approach, starting with the total population of India and dividing it into slums and urban cities. Further, we divided, assuming that one family consists of four members and one family owns a house, we divided the urban population and slum population accordingly. Then we came to the cities that approximately there are 4,000 cities, including tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 cities. Further, we took the population of all these tiers and concluded that the percentage or the amount of houses these people own there, the major population, excluding the slum population, owns. Further, we included the buildings that are not being used, that are being built but not being used. And through the primary research, we got that 70% of the total built buildings are only occupied, and that comes and the total build population is around 40 crores of buildings, and the amount is increasing day by day. Also, the usage of adhesive and cement in the tier 1 cities, tier 2 cities, and tier 3 cities are respectively given. Next, coming on to the costing of cement and adhesive, we have the following things. For cement, we use putty, plaster, cement, chemical compound, and sand separately, which the cost of which is given, and the days required for them to be settled and be used effectively is also given, which totals up to 5,800 rupees for a 50 kg of cement to be used. And comparatively, when we use adhesive, it's around 3,000 rupees. So there is a big vast difference in the amount which is been not considered by the tier 2 and tier 3 cities as per the mentality of Indian customers.
So now I'll be moving on to the stakeholder analysis. We have divided the stakeholders into two categories, which are external and internal stakeholders. External stakeholders includes builders, contractors, architects, interior designers. These are the main target markets which we are aiming at. Then we are coming on to the distributor and retailer. In the adhesive industry, it is said that the more the supply, the more the greater the demand will be. So hence, if the retail outlet has a greater supply, then people will be more enthusiastic to use the product and they'll be more open to using the products. Then comes on to our brand ambassadors, which influence and also promotes sales in a much more better manner, which will include celebrities, designers, and also consultants. And lastly, coming on to the internal stakeholders will also include management teams, board of directors, shareholders, and research and development.
Hello, I'll take you through the entire STDP analysis that we did after analyzing the Indian market. So, according to our segmentation, we have divided the segments into three areas, that is through geography, income levels, and psychographic. So, through geography, we have divided the entire market into tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 cities based on commercial and resident, like based on the people who own residential assets and commercial assets across different sectors. And the income levels that we're targeting are middle class, upper class, and HNIs. And based on psychographic for our product draft, the major target that would be interested would be the innovators, quality enthusiasts, value shoppers, and design enthusiasts. Next slide, please. So we are targeting interior designers, first-time home buyers, architects, renovators, and practical planners. and differentiation. Our value proposition is that we are a very versatile product. We provide flexibility while application. Our strength is the superiority and durability that the product provides. We like support a large format of tiles. It is a widely accepted and trusted product, and we are well trusted amongst the industry, as we set aside by all, as we are always supported, and like we comply by all the standards. And we want to position the brand as ROF is not just for mere functionality. It is a revolutionary product. We are revolutionizing the entire tile fixing industry. ROF tiles adhesive embody more than just functionality. We signify as a product, we signify a profound shift towards excellence, innovation, and unparalleled efficiency in the realm of construction.
When it comes to competitor analysis of crop in India, there are three major players in tile adhesive market: Mike Latrikit, Keracol, and Mapai. Mapai is a global brand focusing on product attributes and quality, which is preferred also by architects because it is trusted brand. It's a global brand. Everybody uses it. All the builders prefer Mapai. It is mostly focused on tier 1 cities, and it's also priced at a higher range than other products. And Mapai not only does reeds and tile services, but it has a diversified product portfolio. Keracol, on the other hand, has its tie-ups with other brands, so they get cashbacks and all when they buy Keracol. So most of the fitters, the manual laborers who are on field actually fit tiles, prefer Keracol because they get some side kick of 50 rupees, 100 rupees, or maybe more than that. They sell a package of 25 kgs and they are present across all tiers in India. Mike Latrikit, on other hand, has a robust distribution network. It is a Hyderabad-based company. It is also priced slightly at the lower side. It has 20 kg packets, but it also has other tile solutions, not only adhesives, but has a complete tile and stone solution. All the work that you need to do with tiles and stone in a building, you can go to Mike Latrikit for that. Yeah. Next slide.
Strategies, we plan to divide it into two, ATL and BTL. For ATL, we'll use channels like TV, prints, etc. As a product is more than functionality, that is why when we will do our ATL campaign, we want to target in masses. That is why we will target with a sense of emotion and storytelling in our entire ATL campaign. We'll create an ad around an idea that our house is only made once. That is why ROF will stick with you forever. Next slide. Now for print ads, we will market it via pamphlets, newspaper, etc. For OOH, we will do shutter marketing, hoardings, danglers, which can be used in BTL as well during exhibitions, etc. Next slide. Now for digital, on our website, we will post educative blogs for our customers, where we will educate them about what are the benefits of using our product rather than the traditional way of tiling with cements. For Instagram, we'll run a campaign around influencers trying our ROF filters. And for YouTube and Google ads, we'll target our customers via geo-targeting. Next. For BTL, we'll keep training workshops for interiors, architects, etc. We'll also feature our product in architects and interior designer magazines. Also, we'll create a digital catalogs for our customers. Then we'll participate in exhibitions, which will not only help us target interiors and architects, but also the upcoming students who will be interior designers and architects. Thank you.
So to explain more about the marketing budget, as we have seen that our entire marketing campaign would run pan-India, that is why our marketing budget consists of all the variables that would be involved in the on the BTL side of the ads as well as on the ATL ads. So for newspapers, we have allocated a budget of around 19,11,000 for 2 days. The ads would run on the front pages of top 5 national newspapers like Times of India. So for that, the budget would be around 19,000. 19 lakh 11,000. The TV ads would be 30-second TV ad that would run for 30 seconds, and the budget would be around 10 lakhs that would run per month. Yeah. The hoardings around Mumbai suburban areas, that is in location like Andheri, the budget would be around 3 lakhs per hoarding. Digital marketing, we have allocated digital marketing budget around 2 lakhs, and we have calculated it for like cost per million, cost per 1,000 customers, that each customer would like cost us around rupees 10, and we would like do this entire digital marketing gambit for around 1 month, and the impressions that we would generate would be around 2 crore, and the BTL ads, that is the conference specific ads, and the ads specifically targeting to the architects and the interior designers, we are allocating a budget of around 7 lakhs for that, and that would be seasonal, as that would be dependent upon the conferences that would happen around the year. So the total comes up to around 41 lakhs. Yeah.
So lastly, talking about the growth potential. So mainly to unlock the growth of ROF in the tile adhesive market, we need to focus on getting the supply right firstly, because a lot of customers have been complaining where we took the primary research that if the product is not available, people don't go and usually buy this. People usually go and buy what is available in the market. In these field of interior designers, contractors, and builders, there are a lot of competitors, and the quality is almost the same. So the framework works on the availability of supply. So a efficient supply chain is very important. Then ROF is technically a very new product in the market. So basically people need education and training. You cannot put ROF on a tile which is small enough, because it will crack in the near future. You need bigger tiles, and you can fix them on vertical walls, which if when provided education and training to the contractors, they can use it very efficiently, and the lifetime of the product will also last longer than what the cement is being used for. Then technical expert endorsement. Basically, we feel that technical experts are an important aspect when it comes to such products, because this product is based on a chemical formula where you need to apply and not mix it with cement. So I feel technical expertise is important. Also, customized solution. So there are different types of buildings, and there are different types of projects which are recently happening. So, for example, if a building is say 100 years old and they want to go into a not a redevelopment project but a development project, then they can customize the solution and provide that building or that project with a customized strategy and a customized product which will be used specifically for their building. And also extensive marketing and growth, which is very much essential to get the awareness of people. So potentially we see a huge potential in this market of ROF, where in the future we feel that it has high potential, but it needs efficient supply chain, number one, and it also needs high intensive marketing, because not much people know about it in the market as per our research. But it is a very good and a quality product which will last a long lifetime. So that's it. We conclude over here. Thank you.